Hey guys, I hope you're doing good. Today, I'm gonna show you how I did a cold email campaign to target local businesses who had bad Google Map reviews. So I started to build my list first with Clay. Let me show you. I used the Google Map enrichment here. So I just paused the video because my computer is a bit slow and I don't want to have a really long video because of that. So if you go to enrichment data, then you tap Google Map. Here you find the Google Map enrichment. It's really cool because it's free. So nothing beats free, right? So what this enrichment allows you to do is basically you can search for a keyword inside an area, and I did a list of, or I found a list of Swiss cities because let me tell you, I'm working for a client who has a hotel cleaning solution in Switzerland. So I found a list of Swiss cities, um, and basically I entered the keyword hotel and I did 37 researches. So not very efficient, but it's free. And I got hotels. Let me show you how it looks like. So we have the phone, the price, the reviews, the website, a lot of stuff, description, and really important, the Google Map URL. Once I have all this, I started to filter the list. So I didn't want it to have places with less than 10 reviews. Then I didn't want it to have hotels that were not in Switzerland. So I filtered this out with a formula. So just to show you, here's the formula. It's a bit weird here because I deleted the phone number column from my table. But basically, if the number starts with +41, say okay or yes. Um, or if there is no phone, okay, because sometimes hotels don't have phones on Google Map, and otherwise say no. Here it doesn't show, but yeah, that's how it worked. And the last filter is I wanted to filter out all the bed and breakfast and the campings from my list. So if the hotel met all the criteria, it would input OK. Then I took the URL, the website URL from this enrichment, the Google enrichment, and I normalized the domain. Here is the result. I normalized it because it's gonna find much more results with a format like this. Here I used Claygent to basically find the company owner. So here I have the first name, last name. Yeah, this I did a lookup to add more people from Apollo to my table. Clean the contact name. So for example, here you have the owner name is not, and here it's cleaned, nothing is appearing. So I cleaned the contact as I said, and here is a formula to return only the first name, so that will be used in my email. And from the contact name and the normalized website, I got emails with this workflow. If it didn't find any emails, what I did is I used AI to scrape the website and find emails. So I got generic emails, but it's very important in small hotels because maybe the owner may read this directly. So this is my list of final emails, and I run this through Neverbounce to validate the emails. So quite interesting. I was checking which one is more expensive, using Clay or buying credits on Neverbounce and use their API key. It's much cheaper buying the credits directly there. So once it was validated, I had my whole list of emails. And it was time now to find reviews, Google Map reviews about the keyword dirty. So I went to Epify. I used the Google Map scraper for my hotels, and this is what I got. In order to get reviews only for my list of hotels, I extracted the Google Map URL, put it in a table, and included the link in the research just here. So it will go through all my hotels. So here are the results. So here is the hotel. This is the review. It was for the keyword dirty. Here you see it's dirty, the published date, reviewer, and all this. So I exported the results and added to another table in Clay and used the lookup record to import the reviewer, all these other details. Here I basically filtered out all the comments that were 2 years older. I got the employee count from this Google enrichment. And a surprise that I really enjoyed is from the Epify run. I got similar hotels, which I used in my email, and I'm going to show you later. Then I used the ChatGPT to summarize the review, and I used the formula to add the first name before the summarized review. So here you can see Sharon noticed someone complained on that the hotel was visibly dirty, blah blah. And here I started to design the emails. In the end, I didn't use this. I did it in a different way because in Switzerland we have different languages, and I ended up doing campaigns in Italian, French, and German. This is my email. And here is the email where I used a similar hotel, which is pretty cool. Have you ever considered that customers might go to Limmat Blick instead of Hotel Limmathof because of bad reviews? And voila. And in the end, I filtered, or I had a criteria based on the city. And so based on which city they are most likely to speak German, French, or Italian. And so I created 3 different campaigns just by clicking on action and create smart lead campaign. And see, here it's German, so it's added to the German campaign. Here it's French, added to the French campaign. Then I went to Smart Lead and I designed the email. This is in French with conditions. So if the first name is here, then use the first name. Then if there is a summarized review, then use it. Otherwise, else use this line. And that's how I did it, guys. I hope it was useful for you. Let me know.